Okay, this is demonstrating a 5-story apartment building. We're going to make multiple 4-inch connections to 6-inch building, 6-inch sewer. And so we'll start with the floor level 0, and we'll select DWV 6-inch, and we'll just pick an arbitrary location for this sewer. Put it down here. This is asking us how below this floor level we want this pipe to begin. And we'll just accept 36 inches below the current floor level, which is floor level 0. And now we're going to draw in a few walls just to use as a reference. Full width walls. And we can make these walls any size. If you want to just highlight it and change the size. If you want a custom size wall, you just type in whatever width you want. Press enter. And so now we need to decide on our stack locations. We're going to want these to come up in a particular location on through the parking deck. Depending on how your engineers planned it out, you'll select stack location. We'll just go back to floor level 0. And I'm just going to arbitrarily pick some stack locations since I haven't studied the plan. Get rid of that. Go back to do that. Well, actually, go to text. We're going to select text. And select the word stack from the list. And I'll just place one here. One over here for demonstration. We can always use fixtures to help us determine the stack location. I'll go ahead and place a couple of toilets in this level here. And then when we go back down to the 0 floor level, we see our toilets grayed out, and we can use the line tool. And now when I highlight a stack, it's going to automatically draw a dimension line over to the reference lines. And I'll just use one right now. And so you can see the red dimension line cuts through the toilet. If I wanted to line my stack up with that particular toilet, I can use this tool, and that would give me a good visual. I can move the word stack around with the mouse or the arrow keys on the keyboard. The arrow keys will give me a 1/4 inch movement per key press. And I can get that stack exactly where I want it. So next, I'm going to connect DWV to the stack. We're going to connect a 4-inch pipe. I'm going to start at the word stack. press the mouse button down, drag that 4-inch pipe over toward the building, the city sewer, release it, and it'll put a combination in there, 6x4 combination. Do the same with this stack here. And then from there, we just move to the next floor. And here we're going to draw in some walls. Let's just put a wall there. We'll put another wall here. We can be just for reference. Now I want to bring my stack up in those walls, so I will go to the front view. And just click on that 4-inch pipe, bring it up over in the ceiling space, and then up the desired wall. Just drag it over a little bit, get it centered in there. And then from there, I can turn horizontally, get it right up under the toilet. Now I'm going to go back to the plan view, move up to the floor level where the toilets are located. I'll start my mouse on the toilet and then drag that 4-inch pipe over to the stack. Now, we're a little bit too close. We don't have quite the width we need, so we're going to lower this pipe somewhat. Actually, let's just take that one. Now, we got room there. It didn't take because we didn't have quite enough distance between the toilet and that horizontal pipe for a quarter bend or a closet bend to fit. Now we see that we do, and we'll go ahead and finish out a bathroom. It's a corner tub. We'll change that to a tub shower, which is what's indicated on the plans. And so we drop down to a 2-inch and connect that, add a lavatory over here. And we'll circle the back. And that would be a good wet bin arrangement under the International Plumbing Code. Now, let's go back to the front view. We can go to 4-inch. We can change this quarter bend up here to a double twin L and turn a pipe off in this direction and pick up additional fixtures. Oh, let's see. Now here's our pipe here. Come over in this direction and pick up this toilet here. There you go. So on and so forth. We could again add a pipe and change that to a double sanitary tee. Continue our stack up. Now, if you want to put a clean out tee in here, Just put a short length of 4-inch pipe. You're going to need to set up the dimensional data for a cleanout tube, 4-inch, which is easy to do. We'll just go to fitting dimensions. You only have to do this one time. Once it's in here, it will remain. And so they're going to be about 5 inches. So B, pipe 1A is, let's see, A is about 4 inches rough. B is going to be about 4 inches. C will be about 2 inches. And there we go. Now with our data's in here. Let's see what happened there. Oh, okay. We got one step. A is about 4. Forgot to, Carl, hold on just a second. 2, we forgot to save settings. There we go. Now that's a cleanout tube. We can view fitting labels, 4-inch cleanout tube. Back to the plan view. So you can see how making connections to a 6-inch branch is done, and how to bring a stack up, add branches off of the stack, so on and so forth. And we'll just do the same for subsequent floors. And I hope this was helpful. Certainly we have plenty of technical support. If you have additional questions or need to set up an online meeting, we can do that. And thank you and have a great day.